The TnP Prime is the latest generation of appliance tester from Wavecom. Offering a fully integrated testing, tag printing and tag scanning system that integrates seamlessly with the new WinPATS app via Bluetooth, the TnP Prime is the cutting edge in appliance testing technology. The TnP Prime offers a full range of AS&ZS 3760-2022 tests, including Class 1, Class 2, extension lead, RCD and leakage testing. Simple test procedures with easy-to-read results makes testing a breeze. With the new WinPATS Android app, you can control your TnP Prime via Bluetooth. You can conduct tests, print tags and get results to the palm of your hand, and so much more. The integrated thermal transfer printer prints clear, easy-to-read tags that last. Our tags are tested to ensure that your test results, barcode and logo don't fade over time. And you can use the included Bluetooth scanner to scan barcodes and access your test results, item information and test due dates with the WinPATS Android app. The TnP Prime comes in an IP67 rated travel case with a telescoping handle and luggage wheels, making it easy to move around sites while testing. With these features and more, the TnP Prime offers a cutting-edge appliance testing solution. To learn more about the TnP Prime, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.